Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
The crankshaft position sensor is an integral part of your engine. It identifies the position and speed of your engine's crankshaft. Your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM, uses this data to determine ignition timing and, in most cases, fuel injector timing. If the PCM receives a variation that exceeds a calibrated percentage, a code P0315 will be set. What does code P0315 mean? Diagnostic Trouble Code, DDC, P0315 means Crankshaft Position System Variation Not Learned. The crankshaft position sensor measures the speed and position of the crankshaft by means of a gear wheel located on your vehicle's crankshaft or harmonic balancer. The PCM uses this data to calculate ignition timing, fuel injector timing and other functions, such as the operation of the variable valve timing system. The crankshaft position sensor measures the speed and position of the crankshaft by means of a gear wheel located on your vehicle's crankshaft or harmonic balancer. The data collected by the sensor is compared with learned reference point values, which take into account slight tolerance variations between the crankshaft position sensor and the crankshaft. If the values are not stored in the PCM memory, code P0315 will be set. Code P0315 is generally linked to an electrical or computer fault. In some cases, it may also be triggered by mechanical problems, depending on the vehicle. Note, a code P0315 may be defined differently by different vehicle manufacturers. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the possible causes of code P0315? Crankshaft position relearn procedure not carried out, incorrectly carried out, defective crankshaft position sensor circuit problems. Between crankshaft position sensor and PCM, an internal problem with the PCM, damaged crankshaft or reluctor wheel. What are the common symptoms of code P0315? Check engine light on engine can be started, but won't start, misfiring, knocking, or surging. How to diagnose P0315? A P0315 DDC refers to a generic trouble code that may be registered in vehicles from different car manufacturers. While the symptoms and triggers of this trouble code may be similar for some makes and models, the diagnostic and repair steps may vary depending on the vehicle you own. If you're not an experienced car handyman, we recommend that you take your vehicle to an auto repair shop for proper diagnosis and repair. How to repair code P0315? Correcting a P0315 code can be difficult, especially if you don't have the tools and experience to do the job. In most cases, it's best to leave the job to a trusted professional. However, if you're an experienced DIYer, you can handle the code yourself. Consult repair manuals or subscribe to a repair database for vehicle-specific repair steps. In conclusion, understanding fault code P0315 is crucial for diagnosing issues related to the crankshaft position system. This code indicates that the engine control module has not learned the necessary variation in the crankshaft position, which can lead to performance problems and increased emissions. If you encounter this code, it's essential to check for any underlying issues, such as sensor malfunctions or timing problems, and perform the necessary relearn procedures. By addressing this fault promptly, you can ensure your vehicle runs smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more automotive insights.